Hi everyone, this is Justin from the Jenni AI team back with another tutorial video. Today we're going to show you how to use the existing sources that you've consolidated on other reference managers like Zotero, EndNote, and Mendeley and bring them into the Jenni library. So let's just head over to the Jenni library right now and click Upload. So what you can do here is we have a direct connect with both Zotero and Mendeley. So let's start with Zotero first. All you need to do is connect your Zotero account and log in. So I've already logged in, so I can just click accept. And now you'll see all the collections within your Zotero account where you can just import them directly into your Jenni library. And it'll take a few seconds to import all of your sources in. And there you go. All of the sources have been instantly added into your Jenni library. So the same goes for Mendeley as well. All you need to do is just connect and log into your Mendeley account, and you can add any collection you want into your Jenni library as well. If you're using a different reference management tool like EndNote, for example, Jenni also supports imports as a .bib or a .ris file, as well to just instantly add your sources into Jenni all at a time. So I can just import my EndNote library, and now all my EndNote library sources are added into Jenni as well. And there you have it. That's how you add sources into Jenni from either Zotero, Mendeley, or EndNote. Thanks for watching.